Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020. Our topic is coordinate geometry. Exercise 9.1, question number 2 is let P be the point on x-axis with x coordinate A and Q be the point on y-axis with y coordinate B as given in the question. Find distance between P and Q. Look at this plane, Cartesian plane. It is x-axis and y-axis. According to question, this is point P on x-axis. As you know that a point having two coordinates, x and y coordinate. This is x coordinate. At x coordinate it is a, and y coordinate is 0, because it is this point is on the x-axis. And you know, if point lie on the x-axis, it means y coordinate is 0 here. And if the point is lying on the y-axis, then x coordinate is this, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b. Here in this question, y coordinate is b and x coordinate is 0, because on y-axis x coordinate will be 0. Is it clear? इसका मतलब ये है बेटा कि अगर कोई पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस पर लाई करता है, एग्जैक्टली एक्स एक्सिस पर, तो वहाँ वाई एक्सिस जो होगा, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट जो होगा वो 0 होगा. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट तो कुछ ना कुछ होगा, जैसे एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ए दिया हुआ है और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा यहाँ 0 होता है. और अगर कोई पॉइंट वाई एक्सिस पर लाई करता है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि उसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट तो है मौजूद, बट उसका वाई कोऑर्डिनेट तो है लेकिन उसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम इन्हें इस क्वेश्चन में समझेंगे. नाउ इन पार्ट नंबर 1, a is equals to 9. A is the coordinate of point P and B is the coordinate of point Q. This is the coordinate x and this is coordinate y. Y for point Q and P and x coordinate A equals to 9 for point P. The condition of point P and Q will be like this. X coordinate is A here, y coordinate should be B, but y coordinate is not present, so y on the place of y coordinate we will write here 0. If we write here x and y, it is very clear. For x coordinate there is a, but for y coordinate there is nothing, so it is 0. In point Q, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b. So we will start the finding distance between P and Q. So PQ distance will be equals to, we will write here formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, this is the distance formula, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now PQ distance will be equals to, here x coordinate is a but y coordinate is 0. X2 is 0, x2 is this is x2 and y2, x1 and y1, this is first point and second. So x2 is 0 and x1 is a, plus y2 is here b and y1 is 0. So distance will be minus a whole square plus b whole square. It is equals to a square plus b square under root. So PQ distance will be equals to this.